Hello everyone, this is Alex. As I have just shown you our product, the stainless steel semi-automatic cutting machine. Now I'm going to show you another one of this series of products. So as much as this is semi-auto, this is automatic. So it's completely automatic. As I line them up together, you can see the size of it is slightly bigger. In terms of parameters, we'll get to it specifically later on. So, okay, let's remove this one. Okay, so this is the outlook of this product. As I said, it is made of stainless steel, and it's about this tall, this wide, okay? And to start with, as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 suction cups down there. So the purpose of it is help you to fasten this to the table really tightly, so that later your cutting experience can be actually quite easy and effortless. So it's very steady and unshakable. Okay. So finish talking about the fit of it. Let's get to the body part. So the whole body is made of 304 stainless steel with the cutter parts being made of 401 stainless steel, which gives it extra solidness and hardness. Okay, so in order to make it work, we get to the food trough of it. As you can see, this part is where you put in the food. So if I put my arm here, then you can see it's about the size of my palm with the extra part of my wrist. So it's about this size. And in order to fit the food in, you basically grab the knob and put it back, okay? Then put the food in, whatever it is, like it can be vegetable or fruit, pineapple, apples, okay? Then you let it go. The spring inside will help you to push it back, so you don't have to be worried about it. And as much as the food is pushed back by the spring here, so the cutter will be spinning here to produce the food, whether it's in slice or it's in strips. It will come out from this part of the machine. Like I said before, this one is completely automatic, which means it is powered by electricity. So this part is actually the motor part. So I'm going to show you how this can work with the electricity plugged in. Okay. So this is the electricity connector, and the connection part is actually underneath here. It's okay. So you can just fit it in. Okay, it's fixed, tight and sound. And the switch is here. Okay, so before we switch it on, make sure the food is already in the food trough, and your hand is away from the cutting part. Okay, then we can press the button, see how it works. So instead of spinning the wheel by your arm, the electricity will do the job this time. Okay, like I said before, we have different types of cutters. Some are for slicing, some are for cutting strips. So next part, we're going to go into changing the cutter, but also you want to clean the cutter after you have used it for a while, right? So it's the same process. So in order to change the color, let's first unplug it. Okay, so there's no electricity. And for this part, you unscrew it. Okay. Then you can gently lift it up. Remove the cover. So the same process. First you unlock it. Then you lift up this pin. Then you hold the knob here. Gently remove it. Okay, it's removed. As you can see, this is one for slicer. You can also put other cutters to cut strips and to fasten them here. So it's the same process. Well, talking about all that, let's just see how it works in action. Let's just put it back in. Okay, first you lift up this pin, you slide it in gently, let it go, then lock it. Remember, put on the cover. Then fix it with this little pin. Okay, it's tightly fastened, then we plug it. Like I said before, you can cut a lot of things with it, like a pineapple, apples, potatoes, carrots. Actually, I have prepared some succulents here. Let's see how it works. This is a plate of succulents. It's a very popular fruit, vegetable. Okay, we put the plate here, and we put this. Into the food trough. Let's plug in. Okay, are you ready? Let's switch it on. Okay, as you can see, they are all cut into slices. Actually, in terms of how thick you want the slices to be, we also have a function that you can adjust the length of it so that you can decide how thick you want it to be with our slicer inside. Okay. So that's all for this introduction. Hope you have enjoyed it and find it useful. Thank you.